Hi, I'm Senator Rand Paul. I don't like anyone telling me how to vote. I make up my own mind and vote for the candidate who best supports term limits, balanced budgets, and the Constitution. Without question, I think Thomas Massie best fits that description. Thomas Massie supported me early in my primary and endorsed my 5-year balanced budget plan. He'll defend our values and fight the establishment and the big spenders. Thomas Massie is not a career politician. He's a taxpayer, a businessman, a family man who's concerned that the debt threatens our future. Kentuckians sent me to fight the Washington machine, and I've done that. But the mess is even worse than I thought. The debt keeps climbing, and too many in Congress refuse to do anything about it. That's why we need reinforcements. Thomas Massie will make a difference in Washington, but you have to make up your own mind. Check him out at thomasmassie.com.